Alright, so in lesson 2, the learning objectives are going to be learning how to do more with text. We will get Python to do some maths, and lastly, we would learn how to use maths in addition to text and get some statements which can print both the things at once. The key vocabulary that I would like you guys to think about today's lesson would be things like strings, integers, floats, find out what modulus is, mathematical operators, and function. Our first activity, what I would like you guys to do is use your previous code from lesson 1, so the print hello world command that you typed in. I would like you to try out the following escape sequences and run the code, see what is going to be the outcome. So I'm going to do a little demo in front of you guys, trying out the first escape sequence, which is //n, and see what's going to be the result of that. So the first thing that I will try typing in would be my usual print command with the speech marks, and I will type in a simple sentence like today I am going to the store. I will close the speech marks and I will close the brackets. Now in between the sentence I will try putting in this escape sequence, and then I will see what's going to happen as a result of that. I'll press enter, and as you'll notice, the bit where I've entered /n, the sentence is separated and it starts off on a new line. So as you can see in here in the description as well, it creates a line return in a string of text. I want you guys to try out the other escape sequences and find out what is going to be the outcome. So every time you're trying out a new escape sequence, I would like you to type in your commands right over here in front of the triple arrow bit. Please make sure that you're documenting all your evidence in your learning logs. Once you've done that, once you've taken a screenshot of your code and the outcome and explained what it's doing, then I would like you to move on to activity 2, please. You've got 5 minutes for this. Alright, so in activity 2, what we're going to be doing is you're going to be learning how to use mathematical operators to carry out some simple math calculations. I would like you to maybe use a calculator on your phone and try out find out which one would be a faster way to get the results. Try out each of these commands in your Python editor screen. I will try out the first one, which is part A, 5 times 6.5. All you need to do is simply go into idle, type in 5 star 6.5 and then press enter. You'll notice that the result appears on the screen. You can try the same thing on the calculator as well, and what you'll notice is that the idle is a much faster way of doing maths. Now I want you guys to try out the other mathematical commands. 7 divided by 3. C is 128 plus 6. I want you guys to figure out how are you going to divide 120 by 7. And also this last bit over here. You've got the following hints given to you in the table layout above. Again, you have 10 minutes to do this task, and then we'll move on to the next activity. In activity 3, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be combining the two concepts, maths and the text. So you should be able to print out simple messages such as 11 divided by 4, but you should also be able to print out the actual result of it as well. The result should be using the formulas this time. So trying out this command would give us a result like this. I want you to try out each of these commands and screenshot the outcome, explain exactly what is going on with your code, and then you can actually move on to lesson number 3. If you need any help, obviously use the teacher's resource. Secondly, you can ask a friend, and if you're still not sure, you're still struggling, then you can ask the teacher.